Hello friends, today we will discuss regarding mental illness. So mental illness means what? So mental illness means what? When a people is unable to adjust in the environmental situation, that is called as mental unhealthy person or mental illness person. That means the person should not mix with everyone, the person should not able to solve any problem, the people are having the maladjustment capacity, then that is called as mental unhealthy person or mental illness person. So now we should discuss what is the definition of mental illness. So mental illness means what? The people who fails to fulfill their roles and carry out responsibility, or whose behavior is inappropriate to the situation, that person is called as mental illness or mental unhealthy person. That means the people who are having mental illness, they are having failed to fulfill their roles. That means they cannot carry any types of roles, then and also they should not carry out the responsibility. That means they are not having any types of responsibility towards their family or towards their friend or others. Okay, then whose behavior is inappropriate to the situations, their behavior is not controllable and their behavior is not appropriate to our environmental situation, then that is called as mental unhealthy person or mental illness person. So that is the definition of mental illness. So people who fails to fulfill their roles and carry out the responsibility, or whose behavior is inappropriate to the situation, that is called as mental unhealthy. Next we should discuss what is the classification of mental illness. So there are various types of classification of mental illness is present. So first we should discuss according to the model. So there are five model classification of mental illness is also present. So first one is our biological model, second one is our categorical model, third one is our psychological model, fourth one is our behavioral model, and fifth one is our multi-axial model. So that is the five model classification of mental illness. So first we should discuss what is the biological model of classification of mental illness. So under that biological classification of mental illness, there are two types of disorder is present. First one is organic brain disorder and second one is psychosomatic brain disorder. So what is organic brain disorder or what is psychosomatic brain disorder, that we should detail discuss later, but you should remember that under that biological classification of mental illness, there a biological model, there are two types of disorder is present. One is organic brain disorder and second one is psychosomatic brain disorder. Next one is categorical model. So under that categorical model also two types of mental illness is present. One is psychosis and another one is neurosis. So what is psychosis, what is neurosis, that also we should discuss later, but there are two types of disorder is present under the categorical model. First one is psychosis and second one is neurosis. Next one is psychological model. So under that psychological model also there are psychosomatic disorder are present. Here also psychosomatic disorder is present, and also in psychological model also there is psychosomatic disorder is present. Next one is behavioral model. So behavioral model also containing various types of behavioral disorder, for example eating disorder, sleeping disorder, or any types of childhood disorder, that is going under our behavioral model. Next one is multi-axial model. So under that multi-axial model there is childhood psychiatric disorder is going under our multi-axial model. So that is the five model classification of mental illness. First one is biological model, second one is categorical model, third one is psychological model, fourth one is behavioral model, and fifth one is multi-axial model. And the disease which is present in that model, that we should discuss later. Okay. Okay, next classification is based on the types of mental illness. So already we should discuss what is mental illness. So here the person is having unable to adjust themselves with their surrounding. So according to that, again this mental illness is divided into various types. So first one is psychosis, second one is neurosis, Third one is psychosomatic disorder. Fourth one is personality or character disorder. Fifth one is mental retardation. So that mental retardation is otherwise called as mental deficiency. Next, sixth one is epilepsy, and seventh one is old age psychiatric disorder. Next, we should discuss the types of mental illness according to ICD-10. So ICD-10 is derived by WHO or World Health Organization. So the full form of ICD is International Classification of Disease. Why it indicated as 10? Because it containing 10 chapter, and each chapter is indicated by a single letter, and that letter is having F. So first, that means it containing from F, it starts from F0 and ending in F99. So first we should discuss what is present F0 to F9. So F0 to F9 containing organic brain disorder. So organic brain disorder is containing two diseases, that is delirium and dementia. That means the delirium and dementia disorder is going under our F0 to F09. Next one is F10 to F19. So F10 to F19 should containing behavioral disorder due to substance abuse. So substance abuse means maybe the person will use any alcohol or any drugs. So due to that, what are the behavioral disorder is present, that is ongoing under F10 to F19. Next one is F20 to F29. So F20 to F29 should containing schizophrenia, delusional disorder and psychotic disorder. So what is schizophrenia, what is delusional disorder, that we should discuss later. So schizophrenia, delusional disorder and psychotic disorder is going under our F20 to F29. Next one is F30 to F39. So F30 to F39 containing mood affective disorder. So mood affective disorder means maybe the disease is having mania, maybe the disease is having depression, or maybe the disease is having bipolar mood affective disorder. So that is going under our F30 to F39. So F30 to F39 containing mood affective disorder. Next one is F40 to F49. So F40 to F49 should containing neurotic, psychosomatic and stress related disorder. That means all the phobia, anxiety and obsessive compulsive disorder or adjustment disorder or conversion disorder or somatoform disorder, that is going under our F40 to F49. So F40 to F49 should containing neurotic, psychosomatic and stress related disorder. So later we should discuss what is phobia, what is obsessive compulsive disorder, that we should discuss later. Next one is F50 to F59. So F50 to F59 should containing behavioral syndrome. So under that behavioral syndrome, our sexual dysfunction or our eating disorder and sleeping disorder is going on. So sleeping disorder, eating disorder and sexual dysfunction is present in F50 to F59. Next one is F60 to F69. So F60 to F69 should containing personality and behavioral disorder. So here some diseases are present which is related to our habit, disease related to our habit and our impulse disorder, gender identity disorder and sexual preference. So that disease is going under our F60 to F69. So F60 to F69 should containing the disease which is related to our habit or impulse and gender identity disorder and sexual preference disorder, that is present under F60 to F69. Next one is F70 to F79. So F70 to F79 should containing MR, that means mental retardation or mental deficiency. So mental deficiency or mental retardation is present under F70 to F79. Next one is F80 to F89, that is containing disorder of psychological development. So under that psychological development disorder, there are various diseases are present. For example, speech disorder or our pervasive disorder or developmental disorder, that is present under F80 to F89. Next one is F90 to F98. So F90 to F98 should containing behavioral and emotional disorder. So under that behavioral and emotional disorder also various diseases are going on, that is hyperkinetic disorder and our conduct disorder, childhood and adolescent disorder is going under F90 to F98. Next one is is F99. So F99 is containing unspecified mental disorder. So our unspecified mental disorder is going under F99. So we should later discuss detail about all disease. Okay, that is only the classification. So after that we will study one by one disorder. Okay, next we should discuss the classification of mental illness according to DSM-5. So DSM means what that is Diagnostic Statistical Manual of Disorder. So it indicates 5 letter. Why? Because it is containing multiple axes and the number of axes is having 5, and that this DSM is derived by American Psychiatric Association. So according to that there is multiple axes, that means the number of axes is 5. There are 5 axes is present, and that 5 axes should containing different disorder. So now we should discuss what are the disease present under that 5 axes. So first one is axis 1. So axis 1 should containing diagnostic of clinical psychiatric disorder. Next axis 2. Axis 2 should containing personality disorder and mental retardation. Next axis 3. Axis 3 should containing medical conditions. Next axis 4. Axis 4 is containing psychosocial and environmental problem. Next one is axis 5. Axis 5 should containing global assessment of functioning in current and past 1 year. So that is all about of DSM-5. Okay, next classification is having Indian classification of mental illness. So according to Indian classification of mental illness, there are various 9 types of different types of mental illness is present. So first one is psychosis. So that under that psychosis there are 3 categories as present. First one is functional, second one is affective, next one is organic. So functional means that is containing the disease schizophrenia. Affective means the disease mania and depression. Next one is organic. So the organic should containing acute organic disorder and chronic organic disorder. Next, second one is neurosis. So under that neurosis disorder, various types of disease is present. For example, anxiety neurosis, depressive neurosis, hysterical neurosis, obsessive compulsive neurosis, hypochondrial neurosis, phobic neurosis, and neurotic depression. Next one is special disorder. So under that special disorder, various types of childhood disorder is going on. For example, conduct disorder, your emotional disorder, mental retardation, then specific developmental disorder, personality disorder, then tic disorder, withdrawal reaction, and unsocialized aggressive reaction, and over anxious reaction, that is going under our special disorder. Next one is fourth number is personality disorder. So under that personality disorder also various diseases present. For example, sociopath, psychopath, antisocial behavior, passive aggressive personality disorder, and inadequate personality disorder. Next one is substance abuse. So there are various types of substance abuse disorder is present. For example, alcoholism or drug abuse. Next, 6th number is our psychophysiological disorder. So psychophysiological disorder means the person is having mental unhealthy, and also at the same time the person is having some physiological abnormalities present. That means maybe the disease is present inside of their GI tract, maybe the disease is present in their kidney or urinary system, and maybe the disease is present in their musculoskeletal system, or maybe the disease is present in the endocrine system, whatever it may be. If the person is having mental unhealthy and also the person is having physical unhealthy, then that is called as psychophysiological disorder. Next one is mental retardation. So what is mental retardation, that we should discuss later. So 7th number is our mental retardation. So that mental retardation is also otherwise called as our mental deficiency. So under that mental retardation, 4 types of categories is present. First one is mild, second one is moderate, third one is our severe, and fourth one is our profound. Next one is 8 number is paranoid state. So under that paranoid state there are 2 diseases present. For example, paranoia and involuntary paranoid state. So that is present under our paranoid state. Next one is sexual deviations. So there are various types of sexual disorder is present. For example, homosexuality, then fetishism, next pedophilia, then transvestism, next exhibitionism, next sadism, masochism, that are going under our sexual deviations. So later we should discuss detail about that disorder, and that is all about your classification of mental illness. Now I should give you the note. At first you should listen carefully, then you should write out the note. Okay.